It's Stuart Carter from Howard's Peugeot and Hyundai in Dorchester. Just about to show you a short video on this Peugeot 108. This is a 1.2 PureTech 3-cylinder petrol engine Allure, a 5-door 5-speed manual in French blue metallic. Now this car was registered March 2016 on a 16 plate and is a one-owner car supplied by us. We're on London Road in Dorchester if you'd like to pop down and have a look at the car, or give one of the team a call on 01305 266 066. And I hope you enjoyed the video.